friend Robert has been dating this girl, Steph, the whole summer, and I keep telling him that she's just using him, but he will not listen to me.
Okay, is this true, Robert? Is this girl using you?
I mean, no, I don't think so.
Bro, how much money has she borrowed from you in the past 3 months? I mean, no, forget that. How much is in the past week? Has she even paid you back?
Dude, she's my girlfriend. Hey, I'm going to spend money on her, you know? I mean, I'm going to take her shopping and stuff.
Yeah, is that all that this is about, Jason? Is he spends too much money on her?
No. I mean, I understand that you're going to take your girlfriend out to dinner and shopping and things like that, but, I mean, first of all, you shouldn't be paying her rent, and second of all, she shouldn't be cheating on you.
She shouldn't be cheating on you.
Exactly.
That's really what we're calling to find out, is if she's cheating on him.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if she's loyal to him and he feels like spending all of his money on her, what are you going to do? That's his prerogative. But if she's cheating on him, at least Jason hopes this will open Robert's eyes a little bit. Mm-hmm. So we are about to call Steph, the girlfriend, and we are going to play
the stupid voice,
Scotty and the Buzz,
chilly voice
of the naked game.
I love it.
Good. Then give me some dialing music.
Dialing at random.
Now, I'd ask you all to please be quiet until we begin the naked game here on Scotty and the Buzz.
Hello?
Hey, good morning. Is this Steph?
I'm sorry, what?
I said, is this Steph?
Yes, who is this?
Steph, this is Scotty and the Buzz from 98.6 FM, Scotty and the Buzz Morning Show. How are you today? Sounds like we just woke you up.
Yeah, you did.